artificial intelligence. So, there is some pretty big news. Newegg has just dropped a major deal. It's the Cobra-type Venom gaming PC. Price slashed. $1,100 off. Originally $5,299.99. Now, $4,199.99. This kind of discount makes you take a closer look. It's a serious price for a serious machine. Why it matters? It ships with the NVIDIA RTX 5090. Finding a pre-built with that GPU under $4,500 is rare. This is a substantial reduction, not a small sale. Positions the Venom as a premium contender, aimed at enthusiasts who want top performance without full launch prices. Newegg and Cobra-type, making top-tier gaming more accessible. Let's talk about the main event here, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5090. This card is an absolute monster. It's built on the latest architecture, packing an incredible 21,760 CUDA cores and a massive 32 GB of GDDR7 video memory. This isn't just a small step up, it's a huge leap forward. The sheer power means it can handle today's most demanding games at 4K resolution with all the settings cranked to the max, often without even breaking a sweat. It even makes 8K gaming a viable reality in certain titles, which was a dream a couple years ago. It's the centerpiece of this entire build. The RTX 5090 is not just for gamers though. That huge 32GB VRAM buffer is a game changer for creative professionals, AI developers. If you work with complex 3D models, edit high-resolution video, or train large AI models, that memory is critical. Tasks that would slow other cards to a crawl are handled smoothly by the 5090. The improved tensor cores provide a significant boost to AI-driven tasks from generative art to data analysis, making this PC a true hybrid workstation. It's a component that excels at work and play, offering top-tier performance no matter what you throw at it. This makes the PC incredibly versatile for a power user. Powering the system alongside the GPU is the AMD Ryzen 9 99900X processor. This CPU is a fantastic choice for a high-end all-around build. It features 12 cores and 24 threads with a boost clock up to 5.6 GHz. While some builds might opt for an X3D chip with extra cache, the 9900X is arguably more versatile. Its high core count and strong clock speeds make it a beast at multitasking. A powerful GPU and CPU need strong supporting components. This build delivers. The Cobra-type Venom comes equipped with 32GB of DDR5 RAM. That's the sweet spot for gaming and productivity, more than enough for demanding 8AA games, even with a web browser full of tabs, and a Discord call running for creators. This RAM handles large project files smoothly. Adobe, Premiere Pro Blender, you won't likely see memory-related slowdowns. Storage, a 2TB NVMe SSD, Cyberpunk 2077, Starfield 2TB gives you ample room for a big game library. NVMe means incredibly fast load times. Games and apps launch in seconds. That responsive feel improves the whole experience. All that hardware makes a lot of heat, so cooling is critical. The Venom case is designed for good airflow. Transparent side panel shows the components plenty of ventilation. Air moves from intake fans at the front to exhaust fans at the rear and the top. This keeps the Ryzen 9 99900X cool, and the RTX 5090 cool during long sessions. Good cooling ensures sustained performance and longevity. The case aesthetic is modern and clean, a showpiece for your desk. Internal layout prioritizes airflow and clean cable management. So, how does this machine actually perform in the real world? Based on benchmarks of the RTX 5090, the numbers are impressive. Alan Wake 2 with path tracing enabled smooth frame rates well above 60 frames per second at 4K. For competitive shooters that need high rasterization, performance, Doom, Eternal pushing 200 frames per second or more at 4K. Assassin's Creed Mirage around 149 frames per second at 4K. Buttery smooth. When you bring NVIDIA's DLSS into the mix, the performance gets even more staggering. With AI-powered upscaling, you can achieve even higher frame rates without a noticeable loss in visual quality. Cyberpunk 2077 at 4K, with ray tracing off the PC hits around 110 frames per second, but with DLSS set to a balanced mode, you can easily maintain that frame rate with ray tracing fully enabled.